In the silent skies above the battlefield, a missile carves its path through the wind, unseen, unstoppable, and unforgiving. This is the AGM-158 JASSM, Joint Air-to-Surface Standoff Missile, a weapon that redefines precision strike capability for the United States and its allies. Developed by Lockheed Martin, and first deployed in 2009, the JASSM was born from a clear need to create a long-range, low-observable cruise missile that could penetrate modern, highly defended airspace without risking the lives of pilots. At first glance, the AGM-158 may look like just another cruise missile. But beneath its sleek composite skin lies cutting-edge stealth, deadly accuracy, and devastating firepower. Let's break it down. Origin and design philosophy. The JASSM program began in the late 1990s, following the U.S. Air Force's dissatisfaction with existing standoff strike options. What was needed was a missile that could be launched from a safe distance, well outside the range of enemy air defenses, while still ensuring deep strike capability with pinpoint accuracy. The result was the AGM-158, a stealthy, air-launched cruise missile with an emphasis on autonomy, survivability, and lethality. Its angular, wing design and low radar cross-section materials make it exceptionally hard to detect. With no reliance on external guidance after launch, the JASSM is a fire-and-forget system that can navigate hostile terrain and neutralize high-value targets on its own. Range and speed. The standard JASSM variant boasts an impressive range of over 370 kilometers, or roughly 230 miles. But its extended range counterpart, the JASSM-ER, pushes that number to a staggering 925 kilometers, or nearly 575 miles, enabling aircraft to strike targets deep inside enemy territory without ever crossing into danger zones. Traveling at subsonic speed, approximately Mach 0.7, the JASSM prioritizes stealth and precision over raw velocity. It is designed to fly low, hugging the terrain to avoid radar detection, arriving undetected and unchallenged. Purpose and mission. JASSM's core mission is simple: neutralize high-value, well-defended targets from a distance. Command bunkers, radar installations, surface-to-air missile sites, strategic bridges, airfields, industrial complexes. No matter how fortified the objective, JASSM is engineered to find it, reach it, and destroy it with surgical precision. It is a critical asset in suppression of enemy air defenses (SEAD) missions and has become a go-to solution when facing adversaries with advanced anti-aircraft systems like Russia's S-400 or China's HQ-9. Guidance and navigation. A missile is only as good as its ability to reach its target. Here, JASSM excels. It employs dual-mode navigation, a blend of GPS-INS global positioning system, inertial navigation system for mid-course guidance, and infrared terminal seekers for endgame targeting. This means that even if GPS signals are jammed or denied, JASSM can rely on inertial guidance to get close, and then lock onto the target using infrared imaging, ensuring a strike within 3 meters of accuracy. The missile is also equipped with anti-jam technologies, allowing it to operate in environments with heavy electronic warfare interference. Warhead. Powering the strike is a 450 kg, 1,000 pound Class WDU-42B penetrator warhead, housed within a J-1000 blast fragmentation casing. This warhead is specifically designed to punch through hardened structures, command bunkers, concrete shelters, and fortified enemy positions, before detonating inside, maximizing internal destruction while minimizing collateral damage. The result is a weapon that delivers strategic effect, not just explosive force. Deployment and platforms. The AGM-158 JASSM is fully integrated across multiple U.S. and Allied platforms, including the B-1B Lancer, B-52 Stratofortress, F-15E Strike Eagle, F-16 Fighting Falcon, and the F-35 Lightning II. This adaptability gives NATO and partner air forces global reach, whether launched from high-altitude bombers or stealth fighter jets. The missile is also compatible with Australia's F/A-18F Super Hornets and is being acquired by several U.S. allies in Europe and the Asia-Pacific, expanding its operational footprint. Notable usage and strategic role. While the JASSM has been deployed operationally, many of its missions remain classified. However, its presence has been a deterrent in multiple conflicts, serving as a silent but ever-ready threat. One of the most publicized deployments occurred in April 2018, when the U.S. Air Force used JASSM missiles in coordinated strikes against Syrian chemical weapon facilities. In that operation, F-15E Strike Eagles launched JASSM-ERs, demonstrating the missile's long-range precision and stealth capabilities in live combat. It marked the first known combat use of the JASSM-ER, showing the world that the US had the ability to strike high-value targets without crossing into enemy airspace. The future, JASSM-XR and beyond. As threats evolve, so does JASSM. The next generation, known as JASSM-XR Extreme Range, is already in development. Expected to exceed 1,800 kilometers in range, over 1,100 miles, this variant will allow even deeper standoff capability, pushing adversaries further into a defensive posture. It's a continuation of a doctrine rooted in strategic deterrence: deliver decisive blows from unreachable distances. Conclusion: the AGM-158 JASSM is more than just a missile. It's a symbol of modern warfare, where stealth, precision, and range define victory. In an age of contested airspace and rising threats, the JASSM ensures one clear message: when the skies fall silent, the strike is already underway.